I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the ShiftCam Snap StudioLight. It is part of the ongoing creative package that ShiftCam offers to allow content creators and just the general public to look better using their phone. Let's have a look. Right off the bat, you'll notice that this is in the style of a ring light, but unlike traditional ring lights that are circular, this one's got a rectangular style, and this gives it some extra features. First of all, when you're going to put your phone on, it goes right in here. So let's go ahead and we'll grab our phone and we'll stick it right on here. So let's go ahead, we'll use the magnetic MagSafe, and right now our phone is connected. And we're ready to go ahead and record. And because the phone is facing outwards using the back cameras, you're ready to use this studio light. And to turn it on, it's really easy. There's a button here on the back. You hold it down for about 3 seconds and it illuminates. At this point, you may be asking yourself, why would someone want to use an external light with their iPhone? The answer is quite easy. It gives you a better output. So the quality of the videos or photos will look better with an external light source. Similarly to how you would look better if you're standing in the sun versus being inside. This light is 8 to 12 times brighter than the one that comes built into the iPhone. It features 106 LED lights. If you're going to put it on full brightness, then you're looking about 45 minutes. But don't worry, it can always recharge, because on the side here, there is a USB port. And it's just a matter of plugging in your USB-C cable, and you could charge it while using it, which is great. At this point, you might be saying to yourself, this color is a little odd, it's a little bit warm. Well, the good part is that this studio light can change colors. It can go from all the way down to cool, all the way up to warm. So you really have flexibility. And for those who are using the Kelvin scale, it goes from 2500 up to 6000 degrees Kelvin. So you really can tailor it for what you need. To switch the actual color temperature, it's very easy. There's buttons here on the back, and it's 10 steps. So you can just tap 10 times and make the color different, going from warm to cool or cool to warm. Now, the other button that's on the back changes the brightness. So you can go from something like this level of brightness and bring it all the way up to a higher level of brightness. What about those times where you don't want to use the rear camera, but you want to use the selfie camera? It couldn't be any simpler. All we're going to do is go ahead and rotate the actual camera, and we can then use this as a selfie camera. And it makes it super easy to do selfies and get good quality video or photos. Very, very easy. Included in the kit is the studio light plus the stand. And one of the neat things that ShiftCam has done is they've included a standard tripod screw mount on the bottom here. So you can easily use your own screw mount for your tripod, or you have spots on all of the 4 sides. So you can use it either horizontal or vertical. Makes no difference. Plus, let's say you put your tripod here on the bottom, you can then add on other accessories on the sides here to increase or improve the performance of this product. Really a lot of flexibility. And of course, ShiftCam does include another magnetic spot right here, so if you want to use another one of their accessories with it, it's a breeze. It just snaps right into place. Included in the rear of the studio light is a battery indicator. It includes 4 lights that show you about 25% per light, so you can go from 100 to 0 and see how full or empty the light is. Now, of course, as I mentioned, you get about 40 minutes if you're going to put it on full power, but you can always plug in a USB-C cable with an external power source, like a power bank, or a plug to the wall if you want to use it that way. Very convenient, very easy to do. Regardless of what type of content you like to produce, ShiftCam has you covered, and this studio light is a great addition for your setup. It is easy to take with you on the road and very, very portable, as you can see, ranging from cool to warm color temperature, going all the way up to 6000 degrees Kelvin. You have so much flexibility with this studio light. Plus, it includes a great stand that gives you the flexibility to use it anywhere. And of course, because it's got these tripod mounts, you can go ahead and use your own tripod with it, no problem. All in all, a great product from ShiftCam. The studio light is a bright idea. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.